The serial flasher was in a Baldwin County courtroom again today.
Dana Stiegel is once again accused of exposing himself, this time to two women in March. Stiegel denies the claim, and his attorney entered several motions, including one to allow Stiegel to take a polygraph exam.
Fox News reporter Hal Sherrick was in court today.
Dana Stiegel appeared before Judge James Reed today in Bay Minette, just over a week before he's set to go to trial. Investigators say it's not the first time he's been accused of this kind of crime. This case is about an incident that Robertsdale police say happened at this gas station in their town. They say Stiegel exposed himself to two women here in March. Prosecutors say this case may be the first in the state to be tried under Alabama's new indecent exposure law, which was passed last year. Under the law, anyone convicted 3 times or more of the crime will face felony charges, and Stiegel has a long history of exposing himself. One of Stiegel's prior victims, who we'll call Christy, was instrumental in getting the law passed and was in the courtroom. She's not surprised to see him back.
No, it doesn't surprise me. That's why I pushed so hard to get the law passed, is because he's said and done several things before.
In March of 2011, Fox 10 caught up with Stiegel, and he promised never to expose himself again.
You're not going to do this again?
No.
You promised me that.
I promise you that. I promise everybody.
Today, his attorney filed several motions, including a bond reduction and a polygraph test. Judge Reed denied the bond reduction and said Stiegel could take a polygraph, but it would not be admissible. When Stiegel left the courtroom today, he had nothing to say. Dana, why did you want a polygraph test? You promised this would never happen again. You saying it didn't? Stiegel's defense attorney also had no comment, but prosecutors say they are ready to proceed and are pleased with the judge's ruling today.
There are numerous victims throughout his time with this, and you know, they're upset, they're terrified, they're afraid for their families and for other members of the community that this may happen to.
Reporting from Bay Minette, Hal Sherrick, Fox 10 News.
Dana Stiegel's bond remains at $250,000. His trial is scheduled to begin October 8th. A man wanted